People, open your eyes, and don't allow the distractions to take your focus from what is important.
We teach, we care, so give us our share. We teach, we care, so give us our share. We teach, we care, so give us. We don't all want to migrate. 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 But we realize you've come to frustrate. We realize you've come to frustrate.
While we're here, we're very disgruntled of the government, how the government treat teachers, the nation builders of the country. Remember, we produce everyone. We produce everyone. And to how government treat us. Teachers have been working for 4 or 5 months without pay. Now, this public sector reform package, wrong calculation of teachers' salary. Teachers have been working as senior teachers for 2-3 years and cannot be paid for the position. So I am very disgruntled with the government, how government treat teachers. I remember the last negotiation we had at Michael when we rejected the salary. The Sunday we had another online meeting and they accept it. Nigel only offered us $200,000 extra for the year. Divide $200,000 times 12 is 2,000. And look for the last 2 weeks when they increase from 250 up to 250% up to 300. They are dishonest.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. I don't know normally I enter my video, but I have to enter it with that, guys. This morning, me wake up my son and say, all right then, send him to school. So one text come in while me a drive. I will not be at school today. So me I say, how I go on? So little did I know, so the teacher them go on a strike. And I must applaud, Me I go on and clap, man. Listen. Me I go on and clap. Long time I want to see this. No more want the police them come out. No more want to see the nurses them come out. You understand? Me I clap, I feel so proud doing this video for no say, yeah. Uno no sit down and una take with the government fling pa uno. Una make una voice be heard. Big up all the real Jamaican them who want a change, who want a difference, who believe the teacher them forget periods, want to know comment periods in the comment section. While you now watch the video, raise the teacher them pay. The teacher them deserve a lot. Guys, without a teacher, you don't have no doctor, you don't have no nurse, you don't have no pastor. We could put it, name something in the comment section with teacher what you can do without a teacher. Even a skill man, a trade man, you have to have somebody who teach him. Teacher come on all umbrella. Whether as an educator, whether by trade, whether by anything. Big up real teacher them. Only deserve, only forget the periods. Now them man we sit down in a parliament, who not sleep and a sign paper, who this and who that. And Nigel Clark come like him now, budge on guys, but more want to keep on the pressure, keep it on. Then say pressure bust pipe, and keep it on. Big up the people who want a different for Jamaica. Right there, so. The teacher them deserve it. The police them somehow don't deserve it, because I'm not going to be biased. Somehow no fear. I want to deal with people, but most I want to put in the hard work, deserve it. Nurses forget it. Every public sector forget it. Right? That's something there. You understand? Boy, Andrew Holness, big up yourself said we are about the people and put up outside things on TikTok and I say, yo, if you remember, say, when you are coming to power, you did say something like this. Watch and listen.
You know, I said to all my MPs, we are in the business of public service. We're not in it for ourselves. We're not in it to make ourselves better. We are in it to make your life better off. And the moment that you feel that you are in politics for yourself, then I say to all of my MPs, the moment that it is appearing that you are in it for yourself and not for the people, that is the time when you should leave the scene as a politician.
A few moments later.
I shouldn't even be talking about this because this is internal, simple housekeeping things. But these are the realities that go into ensuring that you have effective representation. And every government is afraid to touch it because if you touch it, people say you don't deserve it. Why we should pay you more and the country not running well? The country not running well. But because of that very reason, you have chosen to have an underpaid political class. How must they deliver? Is what you choose. So when you go to the bar and you start to talk about how we are going to get our politicians to be more effective by giving them more resources to be effective for which you can hold them to account. It is not going to happen by chance that they're going to be held account. I have to hold them to account. So when I call up the parliamentarians and say, why are you not at committee meetings? And then they tell me all of this. Boss, we don't have no room to meet. Boss, if I come, I just can't, I don't know where I'm going to stay. Is the reality.
Jano Star. Yo, people don't forget not one. I mean, I tell you, the system designed for just the people up at the high places just benefit from it. Poor people now get nothing. You understand? But anyway, guys, put that aside. I'm going to go and big up the teacher them for I do them look demonstration. And I feel so proud. You understand? Anyway, I saw one story I circulate about Vice Cartel and the whole phone thing in a jail. And I say the whole heap of media outlet I put it out. But one of my favorite personality have a message for Jamaica and I want to listen. Don't be distracted, guys. Keep on the foot on the gas pedal. Raise the teacher them pay. Roll back the government increase. Pay. At that with the watch and listen.
People, open your eyes, and don't allow the distractions to take your focus from what is important or the things that are important. Because suddenly, the media is making it seem as though Adidja Palmer has the capabilities of producing cell phones from behind bars. Or they're making it seem as though cell phones rain from the skies onto the recreational yard at the correctional facility. And that is not so. See, all these things are strategically planned to distract the public from the things that they need to focus on. Vice Cartel behind bar right now is not an issue to society. He's not a threat to the system. But the system, because of his popularity and his influence, is using him as a distraction for what's going on. Now, as I mentioned before, this gentleman cannot produce cellular phones from behind bars. And cellular phones does not rain from the skies. That means they had to have gotten back there through some means. Because they didn't have a key to open him door and walk out and walk in on the road and him ready. So stop making it seem as though this man is in here creating a massive deal, creating problems, no! Your system is creating the problem. And he's been used as the scapegoat to cover up your malfunctions. Jamaican people open their eyes and look, no man. All of a sudden now, he's accused of having cellular phones in his possession twice in 3 days. And he does not make cellular phones. And they do not rain from the skies. So why is he suddenly the bad person? How did he actually get these cell phones? How did they reach into the facility? Focus on these things. All of a sudden, the youth image out there again in a bad light. Come on. Focus on the things that are important.
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Soon in our next video. Yo. Jamaica is a sample place and I'll be a sample in this going here, so whether in a government or everything. Guys, big up on yourself and as usual, tell me when the writer so I'm in yourself from Digicel Credit. Alright, so I change it from the front part. I start put it down to the last part. Come now watch out the video. Which part me the right here, sir? Why your son name? Tell me. Sooner or later, I'm out.